Ever wondered how digital marketing works? Welcome to the digital age where businesses thrive not just in physical stores but also in the virtual world. Digital marketing is the use of online-based digital technologies to promote products or services. It's a game changer, a revolution that has transformed the way businesses reach and interact with their customers. Now you might ask, what sets it apart from traditional marketing? Well, while traditional marketing uses mediums like print, radio, and television, digital marketing happens online. It's faster, more versatile, and allows for real-time customer interaction. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something without checking it out online first? Exactly. Digital marketing harnesses this online presence and turns it into tangible business results. So, now that you have a basic understanding of what digital marketing is, let's delve deeper into its process. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a fantastic journey through the world of digital marketing. How exactly does digital marketing work? What steps do businesses need to follow? Let's delve into the digital marketing process, one step at a time. First off, everything begins with setting clear objectives. What exactly are you trying to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Is it brand awareness, increased sales, or perhaps customer engagement? Your objectives will guide your entire digital marketing strategy, so it's crucial to have them defined from the get-go. Next up, you need to identify your target audience. Who are the people you're trying to reach? What are their interests, demographics, and online behaviors? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your marketing messages to their specific needs and preferences, thereby increasing the likelihood of engagement. Once you've got a clear grasp of your objectives and target audience, it's time to choose the right digital platforms. There are numerous options to choose from social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, to search engines like Google, to email marketing, and even content marketing through blogs and articles. The choice of platform depends on where your audience spends most of their time online. Now, you're ready to create and share content. This could be anything from blog posts, videos, infographics, newsletters, to social media posts. The key here is to create content that is valuable and relevant to your audience. It should resonate with them and inspire them to take action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or sharing your content with others. The final step is to monitor and optimize your campaigns. Digital marketing is not a set-and-forget process. You need to constantly track your campaigns to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to measure your performance and make necessary adjustments. This ensures your campaigns are always optimized for maximum results. Remember, the key to successful digital marketing lies in understanding your audience and delivering what they need. With the right objectives, audience insight, platform choice, content, and optimization, you're well on your way to mastering the digital marketing process. Now, you may be wondering what platforms can be used for digital marketing. Well, there's a wide array of platforms out there, each with its unique strengths. Let's dive in and explore some of these. First up, we have social media. This is one of the most powerful tools in your digital marketing arsenal. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer a golden opportunity to connect directly with your audience. You can share updates, respond to feedback, and foster a community around your brand. It's like hosting a party where everyone's invited. Next, we have email marketing. Think of it as your brand's personal letter to your customers. It's a direct line of communication, perfect for sharing exclusive offers, updates, and content. With the right strategy, you can transform your emails from a simple notification into a personal conversation. Then there's content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts, the goal is to provide content that's so good, your audience won't be able to resist sharing it. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is another essential tool. It's all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. With the right keywords, quality content, and a user-friendly website, you can climb the search engine ranks and make it easier for your audience to find you. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is a model where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ads. It's like buying visits to your site, and platforms like Google AdWords and Bing Ads are popular choices for this. Each of these platforms plays a different role in your digital marketing strategy. Some might help you reach a broader audience, while others allow for more targeted engagement. It's all about finding the right mix that works for your brand, your goals, and most importantly, your audience. Choosing the right platform is crucial, as it is where you will meet your audience and engage with them. So, explore these platforms, experiment, and find the perfect blend to rocket your digital marketing to new heights. But how do you create a digital marketing strategy? Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, it's crucial to set clear, achievable goals. Ask yourself, what are you aiming to achieve with your digital marketing? It could be anything from raising brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, increasing sales, or even improving customer engagement. Your goals will guide your strategy, helping you focus on what's important. Next, you need to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests and needs? Where do they hang out online? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to attract and engage them. This understanding will also help you select the right platforms to reach them effectively. Now let's talk about content. In the digital world, content is king, but not just any content. You need to create engaging content that resonates with your audience and compels them to take action. This could be a captivating blog post, a compelling video, an informative infographic, or even a gripping podcast. Remember, your content should not only be about promoting your products or services, but also providing value to your audience. Lastly, you can't improve what you can't measure. That's where analytics come in. Analytics tools allow you to track and measure the performance of your digital marketing efforts. They provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not, helping you fine-tune your strategy for better results. You can see which content is most popular, which platforms are driving the most traffic, and even how users are interacting with your website. In conclusion, creating a digital marketing strategy involves setting goals, understanding your target audience, creating engaging content, and leveraging analytics for continuous improvement. It's a cyclical process that requires constant learning and adaptation. But don't worry, with a bit of planning and effort, you can create a strategy that drives results and helps your business grow. A well-planned strategy is the backbone of any successful digital marketing campaign. So take the time to plan your strategy carefully and you'll be well on your way to digital marketing success. So, what role does analytics play in all of this? Well, the answer is pretty significant. Analytics, in essence, is the backbone of digital marketing. It's like a compass guiding your ship in the vast ocean of marketing efforts. Without it, you're essentially navigating blind. Think of analytics as a tool that helps you understand your audience better. It provides valuable insights into their behavior, preferences, and interactions. This granular understanding of your audience allows you to tailor your marketing strategies effectively and efficiently. Furthermore, analytics measures the effectiveness of your campaigns. It helps you identify what's working well and what's not. This way, you can fine-tune your strategies, optimize your efforts, and maximize your returns. To top it all off, analytics empowers you to make necessary adjustments. It helps you keep up with the ever-changing digital landscape, ensuring that your marketing strategies stay relevant and competitive. Remember, without analytics, you're simply guessing. So, we've covered quite a bit today, haven't we? We started by introducing the concept of digital marketing, breaking it down to its core elements. Then we moved on to the digital marketing process, where we discussed the importance of planning, executing, and optimizing your campaigns. We also explored the various tools and platforms available for digital marketing, from social media channels to search engines and email marketing services. We highlighted the need for a well-thought-out strategy, focusing on setting clear goals, identifying your target audience, creating compelling content, and choosing the right platforms. And let's not forget the role of analytics in digital marketing. We emphasized how crucial it is to track and analyze your campaign results, to understand what's working and what's not, and to continuously improve your strategies based on data. With these insights, you're now ready to dive into the world of digital marketing. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience and delivering value,